Hello, let me show you heart rate measurement comparison between Redmi Watch 5 Active, this is the Active, and this is the Apple Watch Series 10. So let's start from Apple Watch. Here we can find the heart rate application, and let's do the same on our Redmi Watch 5 Active. There we go. Now I'm gonna put my hand on the surface, and now let's take a look. So let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see on the Redmi Watch 5 Active, our results are actually a little bit faster. I mean, it actually refreshes the heart rate faster, and it looks like that the measurements are almost the same. So I've got like 89, 86 while sitting right now. Now we got 91 on Apple Watch, 92 or Redmi Watch 5 Active. Let's wait for Apple Watch one more time. As you can see right now, it actually drops a little bit, but now it goes higher again. Okay, so that's how it actually looks when you are resting, sitting next to the table and start talking. There's small difference between them. I believe that the Apple Watch Series 10 definitely measure it a little bit better. It's more accurate, but for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, for that price, it's not that bad. Thanks for watching.